FeiHong Heater Machinery Factory was established in 1992. Our advantage is 1. We are a factory, manufacturing and selling directly. 2. We started to produce heating tube machinery in 1992 and have more than 20 years of experience in heating tube equipment. 3. We have a pre-sales and after-sales team to solve customer problems at any time and even go abroad for technical support. 4. We have many years of experience in exporting to countries around the world and are very familiar with export business operations. If you want to upgrade your equipment and want to make a more nice heater, please feel free to contact us.